Chabot College presents the ESL Writing Workshop. Would you like to get help with paragraphs and essays that you're writing for your classes? If so, ESL 121 may be right for you. The course registration number is 33333, which is easy to remember. Just get your computer ready and relax. You can join us by Zoom Friday mornings from 10:30 to 12:35. Just use the Zoom number on the screen. You can wait until the writing workshop starts, February 26, 2021, or you can ask me for help earlier. You may also need help on days which are not Fridays. Please ask me your questions by email at ihufgard@chabotcollege.edu. How does the writing workshop work? During our Zoom meetings, you can meet with a writing coach to talk privately about a writing assignment that you're working on. You can electronically share your writing prompt with a coach, and you can share what you wrote to answer the prompt. The writing coach can then give you tips that help make it easier for you to write and to improve your writing. Our writing coaches and I can give you tips on how you can make your writing so clear and colorful that your readers can easily imagine the pictures that you're painting with your words. To play a winning game, be as clever as this mouse and take advantage of the knowledge of our writing coaches, the wise elephants. The prizes are better writing and half a unit of credit for the writing workshop, if you let us help you throughout this semester. Following are pictures of some of our team members. We want you to win like this kangaroo, not in a boxing game, but in the game of writing strong paragraphs and essays. In the top right corner, that's me, Miss Ingrid. To my right, that's Julia. To her right, that's Jesky. And in the second row is Omar. We'd all love to work with you. On the left side, that's Bing Ching. Her name appeared on the previous slide. To her right, that's Sue. Both Bingjing and Sue would love to work with you this semester. I hope you're ready to learn with us in a relaxed environment. Get regular writing support by joining the ESL Writing Workshop. No homework, no textbooks, only help with your writing. Please enroll in ESL 121, the online writing workshop. Remember that the writing workshop is a fun way to earn credit while getting help with your writing. You can take the writing workshop up to 4 times. The course starts February 26, 2021. Please join us Fridays from 10:30 to 12:35 at the link shown on this slide. Thanks for watching the slideshow. I hope to see you soon by Zoom. I look forward to working with you.